So basically what we've got here is a 6-camera system which is quite average for a home. And what we're doing is setting up angles for the cameras to minimize the amount of blank spots around the home. That's really important, not just for the owner to monitor, and we want to monitor them around every angle possible. And we're also going to set those cameras up to be at a certain height to try and capture faces. One of the big benefits of the Hikvision system is that they have something called the color view hybrid. This will actually switch to full color night vision when somebody enters an intrusion zone that we've set up. So for example, if we've set an intrusion zone up on this staircase, any cars and passers-by that go past, I'm going to trigger the camera, which is great. But if somebody were to walk up the stairs, the camera will switch from high resolution black and white infrared to full color. The benefit is I can't see his face, but I can see the color of the clothes that he's wearing. I now have identifying markers. A couple of benefits of going for a professional hardwired system over something that you'd buy off the shelf. First of all is the quality of the footage. You're getting high-speed data transmission through hardwired cable, very robust and stormproof. What we're looking at is really getting something that becomes a part of your home.